What's going on, Absolute Abundance family? Today we're just gonna do a quick little vlog. I got a shoe unboxing of a couple pairs I won on a couple draws. We got Dose a couple new fits. We thought we'd throw that in there at the end. But really we got these. We got the Lebron 15s, red diamond turfs. I got that in the draw. Got lucky, I never win draws at all on the sneaker app. I be on there trying to get everything, and even when I wake up at 7 a.m. and try to buy certain shoes, I'll wait in line and never get it. But this time I got lucky and I hit. I hit. Finally. Yeah, I hit finally. I hit on the Lebron 15s, the red diamond turfs. My all-time favorites right now. Haven't even worn these. I barely opened the box, but today I'm gonna give you guys the unboxings of the Travis Scott Air Force One lows, the latest ones that just came out, not his first ones, the white one, the tan sail colored ones. Those are pretty dope with the interchangeable swooshes. Got all that coming up, and yeah, we picked out some dope fits for Dose. We're gonna give him some good pictures, professionally done pictures, 7-8 months photos of we just thought we'd make some good ones professionally done so we can hand out to our loved ones. And yeah, let's get right into it. You have anything to say? Yeah, said nothing. So here we'll commence the unboxing of the Lebron 15 red diamond turfs and the Travis Scott Air Force One lows, sail colored with the interchangeable swooshes. So yeah, let's get to it. Like I said, this one right here is sentimental to me because I never win anything, no draws on the sneaker app. But this is my first draw win right here. You see it, nice and red, replicating a prior LeBron James release. These ones are real comfortable.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
These are my personal favorite.
Yeah, my first draw win right here. So these mean a lot to me just because of that. And you know what, they're cool looking. I like the way they have the red is bright. They got the nice black and white trim. The soles, you know what? All my LeBron shoes are super comfortable. So I know this one for sure is gonna be comfortable. It's probably gonna be more comfortable than the Air Force. Probably. I haven't rocked Air Forces in a while, but I know basketball shoes are really comfortable, need to be hella comfortable. So hell yeah, right on sneaker app, I finally hit. I hit 2 in a row. This came out one day, and then the very next day, the Travis Scott Air Force Ones came out. And I hit 2 in a row. That's like, that's unimaginable. Freaking.
What are the odds of that?
Yeah, well.
That's cool.
I wish I could hit every time. I'm trying to get all these shoes. So, boom, actually here, we'll put this over here. Boom. This is hen though. This is hen. I really like these ones. I'm gonna sit on these. I don't think I'm gonna resell them. I don't think I am. Got the interchangeable ones. So you got the flames. So you got the reflector things. All psychedelic, cool looking, different. You got the original chromes that's actually on the shoe. I'll tell you what,
those are so
wheat
nice.
gum bottoms.
Oh my god. Can we see the front? Oh my.
And that's supposed to, you got the Travis Scott grill on there. He's got grills and hatches.
Wow, I love them. You know, they're better in person than they are in picture, I must say.
If you take a flash camera picture or some type of flashlight, these will glow up different colors.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. These are not fake. None of these shoes is fake.
Just to clarify.
They busted somebody for $72 million worth of counterfeit J's.
That's crazy.
They were making money.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, upside down.
Yeah.
Let's take down. You can take off the Cactus Jack patches. In case you're not feeling Cactus Jack.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Take off the swoosh. Put one of these things on.
Nice.
I'm gonna go to the rave and hope nobody stamps on my shoe.
Oh my.
And rage with these though. Look at these things. I might just put this one on the other side of this one. Trip people out.
Yeah, that for sure would.
Shout out Travis Scott. These are go. I'm not gonna lie, I was really thinking about just flipping these, little quick flip, like double my money in a couple months or something. But
yeah,
now that I see them and been messing around with them and just like, damn, I'm gonna keep these things. These are mine.
yeah, for sure. Yeah. Hold on to those.
So yeah, there you go. There you have it. You have the Travis Scott, Cactus Jack, Air Force One lows. You got the red diamond turfs. Ain't sure no salt in our game.
Nope. None whatsoever.
Yeah. All right, okay. All right, Absolute Abundance family. Let's hit you with the montage.
Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
First, let me take a sip of water.
Got multiple different fits. Got him a little polo one. Came with some shorts.
Just the cutest thing ever. And then I have to show you guys the shorts. So that's what that looks like. Those wear size 6 months to 9 months right now. And this is by, again,
Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren. And then we also got him.
That's his little grown man fit right there from Carter's.
His little grown man fit.
Pretty cool. One of my brothers got him some good, some real nice J's, some Jordans, so he's probably gonna rock those with the polo and everything for his first little photo shoot.
Yeah, he's gonna be so cute. I'll probably get emotional during a photo shoot, just thinking about how fast he's growing.
Yes, she will. Probably just make it longer than what it should be.
I just get so emotional, you know? That's my baby. And then got me this shirt. Isn't it cute? Just a cute little flowy top. In case you guys haven't noticed, down on the screen there's a little logo. Well, the logo is on this cup. Let me show you up close what it says. It says Absolute Abundis. Thank you, Father, for these cups. We absolutely love them.
So looking out, Pep. So what you got in your cup? What's going on with your cup?
So I am drinking water.
Well, I'm drinking, I don't know if you can't really see it, but Green Machine Naked. Tastes really good, does really good for your body. It's quite nice, especially if you want a great easy bowel movement in the morning. Drink this in my evening and thank you.
Thank you. So good.
Yay, bowel movement. Healthy. Water's good too.
Water is the best way to go.
So yeah, Absolute Abundance mug, same color as the bell button. Pretty cool color. Bam, easy to identify, can't miss that.
Alright guys, so it looks like I'll be closing out today's video. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button for post notification. Today's post notification shout out goes to Tony. Thank you for being part of the Absolute Abundance family. You already know we love you. And well, like we always say, we'll be back with more videos. Boop, boop.